If you're looking at a dry hire venue or a DIY marquee style wedding, then you're going to need to budget for a catering tent, kitchen equipment, carpet or flooring and lighting as a minimum. You're also going to need furniture, so tables, chairs, a bar, and also decor. For permanent and inclusive venues, you'll usually find that everything that I've just listed is already included as a minimum. It's just worth checking whether there's any additional costs on top of the venue hire fee to get the basics in place. You should really think in detail about how you'd like your big day to run. Here at our venue, we include a cake table, various cake stands that you can use, a cake knife. We don't charge for staff to cut up the wedding cake to serve to your guests. But if you take something specific like a wedding cake and then kind of follow that through for everything else that you're going to want to do in your big day, then you can start to get a sense for what else you might need to budget for separately if things like that aren't included. Also, find out if venue hire includes a bar, outdoor furniture, toilet facilities, heating and decorations. You'll need all of those things, so if they're not included, then you will need to budget for them.